Robots have long been regarded as human assistants in one form or another. A robot personal assistant can be defined as artificial intelligence that helps you with your daily household chores, making your life easier. These little in-home companions serve a variety of purposes, everything from educational assistance to schedule organization. They're getting more and more adept in assisting with daily tasks. Actually, newer models will likely focus on taking care of your emotional needs as well as your household chores. Moreover, smart robots are designed to take care of the tasks that take up extra time in your day. They will make your home run more efficiently with less work for you. They're also really cool and go a long way in making your home smarter and on the cutting edge of technology. However, picking the best robot home assistant is not particularly an easy job. This is why we have compiled a list of the 5 best home robots that you can get in 2022.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Roborock S7 Plus is one of the most expensive floor cleaning robots, but it is also one of the only models that can both mop and vacuum your floors at the same time. Low maintenance and hardworking, this vacuum basically takes care of itself. It even has a built-in air filter to keep your surroundings as impeccable as possible. Not only does this small but mighty device collect up to 120 days of dust, it also has mopping function. It can detect carpet and lifts itself up after mopping so as to not spread dirt. Also, the 2500 PA hypersection is intense enough to draw dust and dirt out of cracks. Beyond its mopping prowess, the S7 Plus is the first vacuum to come with an auto empty dock. Its battery creates a runtime of up to 180 minutes, which is perfect for larger homes. It slows down as it approaches an obstacle, then softly touches it and moves back. This means that it won't really move things like stools and other light furniture. That said, if you have something fragile on the furniture such as an end table, for example, you should set a no-go zone in the app to avoid the vacuum even touching that furniture. Moreover, this device uses sonic mopping technology to scrub the floors at 3,000 times per minute. The Roborock S7 Plus provides everything you expect for the price, including the automatic bin emptying, smart features for customized cleaning, simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, and virtual boundary support. So if you hate housework but value a clean home, this will be the best option for you. The Dolphin NoTiler CC Plus is a pool cleaning robot that can save you the trouble of having to fish out leaves and other particles manually. This robot has a scheduler feature which lets it automatically clean your pool daily, every other day or every third day. The choice is up to you. The company mentions that it is capable of working in pools of up to 50 feet in size. Also, it comes with a clever clean scanning system. It will use onboard sensors to scan your pool and figure out the fastest way to clean the entire pool, and will get it done in about 2 hours. What's more, Clever Clean sends obstacles in the bottom of your pool and avoid them, returning the cleaner to its optimized path after getting around them without input from a person. In addition, it has dual-layered filtration where large debris is caught by one filter and small by another layer. This allows for better directed cleaning and faster return to cleaning. For a pool cleaner already designed to make quick work of cleaning your pool, this is a great feature. Moreover, this unit is attached to a 60-foot long, durable blue cable equipped with a swivel feature that prevents tangling and lets the device easily navigate everywhere it needs to go within the pool. At 19 pounds, the Dolphin NoTiler CC Plus is already pretty light for a Robotic pool cleaner. Finally, if you're looking for an automated pool cleaner, then this will be the best bet for you. The iRobot Roomba 690 is a high-performance vacuum cleaner that will help keep your floors and carpets ideally clean. It is a cultural phenomenon in many ways, and the fact that it can also clean your home and play music while doing that is what makes Roomba an impressive proposition even today. This Roomba 690 vacuum cleaner totals 3.6 inches in height and has a width of 13 inches. The smaller, more compact design allows the unit to get into those hard-to-reach places most vacuums are not able to touch. It comes with features such as advanced dirt detect and a 3-stage cleaning system with 10x suction, allowing more dirt to be collected at a time. Also, this Roomba has a mapping feature that cleverly remembers the areas of your home that it cleaned previously. The Roomba comes with sensors that detect high traffic zones of your home and remove concentrated areas of dirt. Plus, it can detect obstacles and avoid them successfully. Roomba 690 is connected to Wi-Fi and a mobile application. It has troubleshooting lights that flicker on the buttons, and carrying handle makes the robot easy to carry around the house. Moreover, its suction power is quite powerful. Simple application setup cleans perfectly and uses voice commands with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Built with a circular design, the vacuum is able to turn at 360 degrees. It also lasts up to 90 minutes before docking and recharging automatically. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 690 is a very good robot vacuum for the price. So the Roomba 690 robot vacuum is an awesome option for those looking for more convenient cleaning sessions. The Ruko Smart Robot is an amazing companion for your kids. It is a programmable robot with voice and app control. It is made with sanitary materials and will not pose any danger to your kids. Plus, created for children ages 4 to 9. This cool-looking robot is a superb way to introduce your kids to technology. There are 58 separate actions to choose from, ensuring your child will not get bored after a play session or two. With Bluetooth connectivity, this robot can even play music and dance accordingly. You'll love how interactive this device is, as well as the sturdy, thoughtful design. Designed to be safe and child-friendly, this toy will deliver hours of interactive fun that will also help them to learn along the way. Kids will love its variety of voices and easy volume controls. Additionally, the smart robot has LED emoji displaying different human-like emotions, including sadness, happiness, and disappointment. Also, it comes with 9 flexible and powerful motors that ensure smooth and rapid movements. Ruko can imitate your kids when they press the recording button. Furthermore, when your kids touch this robot's head, it immediately responds by saying funny things in a cute voice. All in all, this robot makes a wonderful gift for a younger child who is curious and imaginative. Also, it will be an ideal Christmas or birthday gift. The SPRK Plus is a spherical robot controlled via smartphone or tablet apps, and the SPRK Plus is designed to be programmed. In other words, it is Sphero, Education Edition, teaching your kids the basics of coding in a way that is both accessible and plenty of fun. Therefore, the Sphero design is suitable for this kind of thing. The spherical casing moves with all the logic controls, motors, and LEDs packed safely inside. And as such, it's one of the most robust little robots around. This robot ball makes learning interactive and fun. The machine is scratch resistant and waterproof, making it built for rough and tumble play. To strengthen the SPRK Plus further, Sphero has included an extra scratch resistant UV coating. Moreover, programmable sensors such as motor encoders, LED lights, accelerometer, and a gyroscope allows for countless experience and coding conditions. The Sphero provides your child multiple ways to use the device, and it is also hooked up to an app that lets them share their work with a community of users. With an hour of play, this educational robot is waterproof, charges inductively, and connects via Bluetooth Smart so you can see your commands and creations come to life. However, for those who want to teach kids to code the fun way, then the SPRK Plus is a brilliant little bot.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.